Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to discuss the topic remainder theorem from the chapter polynomials. This theorem is a most important theorem. Let us check the statement. Let p of x be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1 and let a be any real number. If p of x is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is p of a. The meaning of the statement is, if we divide the polynomial p of x by a linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is the value of p of a. Let us check the application of remainder theorem by using some example questions. Example 1. Find the remainder when x power 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1. Here we have a dividend and a divisor. We need to find the remainder. If you do the long division also, you will get the answer. But if you apply remainder theorem, then you will get the answer fast. The remainder theorem is, if we divide p of x by x minus a, then the remainder is p of a. Let us check the solution. Here, the dividend p of x is equal to x power 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1. The divisor is x minus 1. That is, the divisor x minus a is x minus 1. We need p of a. How to find p of a? Just to find the 0 of x minus 1. So, we need to find the value of x. That is 0 of x minus 1. How to find 0 of x minus 1? Yes, we need to equate x minus 1 to 0. If we equate x minus 1 to 0, then we will get 0 of x minus 1 is 1. After getting the 0 of the divisor, substitute the value of x in the given polynomial. Therefore, p of 1 is equal to, so first we have x to the power 4. We need to substitute the value of x in this polynomial. So first we will have 1 to the power 4 plus x cube. So plus 1 cube minus 2x square minus 2 into 1 square plus x. So plus 1 plus 1. Okay, now we need to find the value. 1 to the power 4 is equal to 1 plus 1 cube is equal to 1 minus 2 into 1 square is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 1. Now 1 plus 1, 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So we will get the value of p of 1 is equal to 2. So by the remainder theorem, 2 is the remainder when x power 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1. Second question. Find the remainder when x cube plus 2x square plus 2x plus 1 is divided by 3 plus 6x. We are going to apply remainder theorem for finding the remainder. Let us check the solution. Here, dividend is equal to x cube plus 2x square plus 2x plus 1. Divisor is 3 plus 6x. It is a linear polynomial. It is not in standard form. So the standard form of 3 plus 6x is 6x plus 3. We need the 0 of 6x plus 3. Children, how to find the 0 of 6x plus 3? Yes, we need to equate 6x plus 3 equal to 0. Let us find the 0. That is value of x. 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Which implies 6x is equal to plus 3 will go to the RHS. So it will become minus 3. We have 6x is equal to minus 3. From this, x is equal to minus 3 by 6. If you find the lowest form of minus 3 by 6, then you will get x equal to minus 1 by 2. Now we got the value of the variable x, that is the 0 of 6x plus 3. It is minus 1 by 2. Next step is we need to substitute the value of x in p of x. Okay, let us substitute the value. So the next step is p of minus 1 by 2 is equal to, we have x cube. So minus 1 by 2 whole cube plus 2x square. So 2 into minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 2x. So plus 2x means 2 into x. So 2 into x is minus 1 by 2. Then plus 1. Okay. Plus 1. Now we need to solve it. Which is equal to minus 1 by 2 whole cube. Here the cube is common for minus 1 and 2. So the meaning of minus 1 by 2 whole cube is minus 1 cube by 2 cube. Minus 1 cube is minus 1 by 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 cube is equal to 8. Thus minus 1 by 2 whole cube is equal to minus 1 by 8 plus 2 into minus 1 by 2 whole square. Minus 1 by 2 whole square means minus 1 square by 2 square. Minus 1 square is 1 by 2 square is 4. So minus 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. Then plus 2 into minus 1 by 2. So 2 and 2 will cancel. Balance we have minus 1. After that plus 1. Okay. Next step. Minus 1 by 8 plus 2 into 1 by 4. 2 and 4 will cancel. Here we will get 2. So 2 into 1 by 4 is 1 by 2 plus minus 1 plus 1. Okay. So what is minus 1 plus 1? Yes, minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So balance we have minus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 2 only. Now we need to solve minus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 2. I am applying cross multiplication method. So first minus 1 into 2. Minus 2 plus 8 into 1. 8 by 8 into 2, 16. Next minus 2 plus 8. Minus 2 plus 8 is 6 by 16. If you find the lowest form of 6 by 16, then we will get the answer 3 by 8. 2 is the common factor. So the lowest form of 6 by 16 is 3 by 8. So P of minus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 8. Therefore the remainder is equal to 3 by 8. So children, remainder theorem is help us to find remainder without doing long division. Third question. Check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. 7 plus 3x will be a factor of 3x cube plus 7x only if 7 plus 3x divides 3x cube plus 7x and leaving no remainder. That is, the remainder should be equal to 0. If the remainder is not equal to 0, then 7 plus 3x is not a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. Let us find the remainder by remainder theorem. Solution. Let p of x is equal to 3x cube plus 7x. We need to check if 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. So let us find the 0 of 7 plus 3x. The standard form of 7 plus 3x is 3x plus 7. So the 0 of 3x plus 7 is, we need to equate 3x plus 7 is equal to 0, which implies 3x is equal to minus 7. Therefore, x equal to minus 7 by 3. So we got the 0 of 3x plus 7. It is minus 7 by 3. Now we need to substitute the value of x in p of x. So the next step is p of minus 7 by 3 is equal to, we have 3x cube. So 3 into minus 7 by 3 whole cube plus 7x. 7 into x minus 7 by 3 is equal to 3 into minus 7 by 3 whole cube. Minus 7 by 3 whole cube means minus 7 cube by 3 cube. Minus 7 cube is equal to minus 343 divided by 3 cube. 3 into 3 into 3, 27. Plus 7 into minus 7 by 3. 7 into minus 7, minus 49 by 3. 3 into minus 343 by 27. So 3 and 27 will cancel. 9 3s are 27. So next step is minus 343 by 9 plus minus 49 by 3. Now we have addition of unlike fraction. So the easiest method is making the denominator into same because 3 is a factor of 9. So I am doing it separately. We have minus 49 by 3. So 3 into 3 is 9. So we need to multiply minus 49 also by 3. What is minus 49 into 3? Yes, it is minus 147 by 3 3s are 9. So instead of minus 49 by 3, we are going to write minus 147 by 9. Because minus 147 by 9 is equivalent to minus 49 by 3. So the next step is minus 343 by 9 plus minus 147 by 9. Now the denominators are same. So they are changed into like fraction. So the addition is easy. Add only the numerators and keep the denominator as same in the answer. So minus 343 plus minus 147. So we need to add the numbers and put the minus sign. What is 343 plus 147? Yes, 490. So minus 343 plus minus 147 is minus 490 divided by 9. So now we got P of minus 7 by 3 is equal to minus 490 by 9, which is not equal to 0. That is, the remainder is not equal to 0. So the remainder is not equal to 0. Therefore 7 plus 3x is not a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. Okay children, today's class is completed. Practice the question answers. Thank you.